Burning your tongue is not just uncomfortable, it can actually reduce your ability to taste food and make speaking painful. It happens when you expose your tongue to something too hot, damaging those sensitive taste buds. First off, let's understand what happens when we burn our tongue. Our tongue is covered in tiny taste buds and nerve endings that allow us to taste flavors. When we expose it to something too hot, the heat damages these sensitive cells, leading to pain, swelling, and sometimes even a temporary loss of taste. Most minor burns heal on their own within a few days. But the remedies we'll cover can speed up the process and relieve pain. Our first remedy is as simple as it gets: cold water. Take a sip of cold water as soon as you feel the burn. You can also suck on an ice cube for added relief. This helps soothe the burn by cooling down the area and reducing inflammation. Honey is more than just a natural sweetener. It has amazing antibacterial and healing properties. Dab a little honey on your burnt tongue. Let it sit for a while, and avoid swallowing immediately. Honey can help reduce swelling and speed up recovery. Next up, milk. The fat and proteins in milk create a protective layer over the tongue, which helps ease the pain and irritation. You can also try yogurt or cold cream to get similar benefits. Aloe vera isn't just for sunburns. It's great for any burn, including on the tongue. Simply apply a small amount of fresh aloe vera gel directly to your tongue, or use a natural aloe vera juice to rinse your mouth. This soothes the burn and helps in the healing process. A quick, surprising remedy is sugar. Place a pinch of granulated sugar on your burnt tongue and let it dissolve. The sweet sensation actually helps soothe the pain and takes the edge off that raw, burnt feeling. Prevention is always better than cure. Here are some tips to avoid burning your tongue. Let hot drinks and food cool for a few seconds before tasting. Try sipping carefully to test the temperature. And remember, it's better to wait a few seconds than to suffer a burnt tongue for days. Did you know that your tongue has around 10,000 taste buds, and they regenerate every 1 to 2 weeks? That's why it's so sensitive to burns. Burning it can temporarily damage these taste buds, but luckily they heal quickly. Most tongue burns heal within a few days. However, if you notice that your tongue remains painful, swollen, or develops blisters, it's time to seek medical help. Persistent symptoms may indicate a more severe burn or infection that needs attention. So, next time you burn your tongue, you know exactly what to do. Let's recap. Try cold water, honey, milk, aloe vera, or even a bit of sugar to ease the pain. And remember to let things cool down before diving in. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips. See you in the next video.